Hey everyone, Chris Lambert here. Welcome back to the unboxing portion of my channel. Cat's jumping around over there. I forgot my knife. Let me run and get it. Lots of noise going on in the neighborhood. We got people mowing lawns, trimming lawns, neighbors jamming out next door. So let's see what we got this time. As you know, I bought a bunch of tripods, and because the leg broke on my other tripod, I couldn't fix it. So let's see what I got here. Okay, as you can see, I don't know if you can read that, from Amazon. I usually buy these because Walmart for some reason doesn't like to sell Seresto cat flea collars now. When the Siamese cat first started coming around, she had a Seresto flea collar on it. These things are like $60 a piece, but they're the best things ever. They last about 8 months, and you won't see a single flea or tick or anything on the cat or in your house when you get these. So I got a 2-pack here. Like I said, they're expensive. This was like $109 for these two, and it said yellow. I don't know what that means. I don't know if these collars are yellow, or I don't know what that means. It looked like the usual gray color. So as you can see, it says kills and repels fleas and ticks, odorless, non-greasy, fleas, ticks, flea larvae, 1 collar, and it comes with reflectors if you want to add the reflectors. Now, I thought the Siamese cat belonged to a neighbor. That's what I was told by another neighbor. But she's over here all the time. I feed her. They go back and forth, I guess. My cat runs next door too and stuff. So the one I adopted, the black and white one, Tony. So this one doesn't have a name because I don't know what her name is, the Siamese one. So I got them. The Siamese cat looked like it needed a new flea collar. Excuse me. So I bought her one, put it on, and she came back and it was gone. So I tried to put one on my black and white cat. She does not like flea collars, so she took it off. So what I'll probably do is, you know, once she sleeps on my lap or whatever, what she likes to do when I watch TV or I'm on my computer, I can put the flea collar around her neck, you know, let her sit there and try have the stuff absorb into her skin, and then, you know, set it somewhere. So that's the first thing I got. I didn't expect this to be the first thing I opened, but it was. I thought it was flashlights when I saw that box. Okay. I do have another box of flashlights I haven't opened, and I just want to have around for emergencies. So let's check out the second box. What do we have in here? Oh, more Ulanzi. As you can tell, I can't make up my mind. Now this one, this tripod is not a Ulanzi brand, but it did come with the tilting camera holder, and it's called a portable selfie stick tripod, remote control, Bluetooth, 2-in-1, freely rotating. It says, looks like that, more like my old one that I really liked. Let's see what it looks like. So after I already bought 3, this is number 4. Sometimes it takes me a while to pick out one that I like. So I think the metal one will be best used on a desk to sit there. See what this one looks like. Okay, it's thicker and heavier than the other one, but it does fold down like the other one does. And I don't know what's going on here, but it looks like it doesn't want to fold up anymore. Okay, let's check out the legs. They have rubber feet. Now these feet have your, fancy tripod base. Feel metal. This is metal. This is all plastic. All this rubber up here I can feel. Feels like one big rubber piece. Yeah, I don't want to break this. I can't tell what's going on, but it opens up really far. I don't know if you can see that. It opens up. I swear this whole thing from bottom to top must be like 5 feet. So it's got several sections. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections on it. Holds nicely. I don't know why I can't. I'm not going to force it. I'll have to read it. I can see there's a part that swings down right here. It's also got a piece of rubber on it. Here comes the cat. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I think it just stays like this. So this can only be, no, it has to be used. So I'll get back to you on this one. This one is confusing. It only wants to open up like this. I need it to open up all the way straight out so I can film my videos here. Otherwise, it's nice. Seems to be decent quality. It's called SmallRig. That's the brand, SmallRig. And I'm glad I got this. I had the metal tripod, but it didn't come with the metal phone holder. And now I just found out these phone holders, which I got 2 of them, don't work with my case. Yeah, I put a note on there, doesn't work. Not deep enough, so it's not deep enough this way. If you got a really thin case, it should work, but I had to get an extra thick case after I dropped my phone and cracked the screen. The thin case that Verizon gave me just didn't work, didn't cover all the edges and everything, all the corners. I don't know why. The edges were open. It looked really nice and thin. Now it looks ugly with a flexible plastic screen like this, which I have a glass screen protector under it, but the case comes with one of these flimsy screens on it, or screen protectors. So yeah, this did not work. Might work for you if you got the super thin case, super thin phone, which I don't have. So I'm glad I bought this. I thought I had another one. I went and looked, and it was mounted to a handle. I don't know if it comes off. So maybe I'll be using the metal one. And this is what I'm talking about, see? It folds out. The other one stayed like this, so. Other one, yeah, it opens like that. I need one that opens like that. So maybe this does. If it doesn't, I don't even know what I'll use it for. Maybe I'll take some selfies. So I got this nice metal one. It wasn't cheap. I think it was around $30, $35. It is still spring loaded. I'm not sure about this. I'll have to try that on my phone. I'm using my phone, so I'll let you know about that. Now the one I'm using, the tall one I'm using that's on the ground right now, it has the screw-on type, and that one is thick enough to hold my phone. Now this one does go both ways. I like that you don't have to take out a wrench and adjust it, although I do see you can adjust it here with a wrench. So yeah, it screws on. This does not have anything to screw onto the top of it. So this would go with my metal tripod, which is this, the Ulanzi M47. This is a metal tripod. Nice one. Heck, let's try it out. Try not to lose all these little parts and papers or get them mixed up with the other ones. So you can see this is a one that comes in that heavy duty foam rubber. There it is. Opens up like that. And I guess this will just screw on like this. So this tripod I think cost $54. 50. Is this working even? These things are all different. They're weird. Let's see. Okay. This one, I don't know why this part comes off. Someone tell me in the comments why it would do that. Okay, I need a screwdriver to put this thing on. Then I got to slide it in. And then I have to tighten it like this. So there we go. Now we got our tripod. This one pulls up to, oh, there's the ball. Swivels around with the ball. Pivot, whatever you call that. Opens up. Not very high. That's as far as it goes. See that? So this would be good. It's used for like a permanent situation on a desk. Or if you want, you can use it for a selfie. I mean, for vlogging like this. Put your phone on it. If you want something real heavy duty, this is all metal. This is plastic with a metal inside. I forgot what this one costs. Probably 25 bucks maybe. And to get a faster delivery or discount or something, they asked if I would buy more. So I'm out here sometimes. I get out here too late. It starts to get dark. So I did buy this Ulanzi light. Comes with a charging cable. Well, that's surprising. It's USB-C, which tells me it's a newer item. The old ones are all USB, micro USB. USB-C you can plug in either direction, which is what I like. And then I think it's battery operated. Yeah, that's why there's the USB. It's got your controls on and off. Does it work? Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, here we go. I haven't charged it yet, but you would mount that here. Is it gonna work? It's supposed to work. It's the same company. So there we go. I can turn it around. So I can put my phone here. And, you know, if it gets dark, turn on a light. Okay, so that's that. I forgot what this light cost. I think it was $20. It's the Ulanzi VL49 limited white version. Why does it say white? They had white and black. I got the black version. I want everything to be dark. The thing about light stuff is if you're in front of a glass, you'll see me filming in front of these glass cases, and if you're wearing white, it reflects light colors. It'll reflect my face back. You know, I'm not going to wear a hood or anything like that, so you don't see me, but I mean, you don't want things to reflect like that. So that's what I got. Here's my old one. Still working on that. Let's see, this could... I still don't understand why this moves like that. Really weird. Will it come off? I don't want to mess around with this too much. Might have to switch to using this one instead of this one. This one was like 55. This was like 22, I think. Okay. This goes back into here. This should go onto here. And if I wanted to, I could use this one. So there you go. My new tripod setups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in to watch my Walmart videos, other unboxing videos, food review, short food review videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get me up to 10,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. Take care. Happy Easter.